Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Puddle Walkers Outdoors. Today we are exploring one of my favorite waterfalls here in Indiana. This is something that we're going to be bringing to the channel here in the near future to be hiking adventures. It's going to be a couple friends of ours that go on trips. They're actually doing the hashtag 52 hikes challenge this year, where they're going to do 52 state parks. And they're going to hike through all of them. I finally got these ladies talked into documenting what they do. And so we can share it with all you guys. And maybe it's something you guys would be interested in. It's a really cool thing. You can get pins, you can get badges. A really cool way, guys, to get to know your state parks and a way to get outside the house. Without any further ado, guys, let's get at it. The falls is just looking absolutely amazing right now. Yeah, we're going down there. All right, so we just got to be extremely careful, guys. This is it's like an ice slick trail here at the bottom of this, but we're gonna do it because I am dying to get down here and see what the lower fall looks like. Look at all that ice. That is so wild. I think I need to get down and actually crawl through here. It's just like straight ice, guys. Hopefully I can get back up. I didn't think about that either. Oh wow. What have we got down here? Ooh, so slick. Ooh. Wow, guys, this waterfall is absolutely beautiful. So guys, if you're really interested in maybe seeing more things like this in the future on the channel, guys, comment down below. We've really been thinking about bringing a hiking group in. They're really good friends of mine. They go on all kinds of hiking adventures. They go out and see crazy stuff like this, like every week. If it's something you guys want to see, man, just let us know. We would love to get out there, explore Indiana for you. You know, we do a lot more, guys, than just fish. We like to fish, man. We deer hunt. We like to mushroom hunt. We love to forage for plants. We love to get out and just see some of these beautiful, beautiful sights that we have in our wonderful state of Indiana, guys. All right, guys, that's the Upper Falls of Cataract. Let's see if we can get ourselves out of here. It was really slick trying to get down here. I had to get really low, so let's see if we can get our way back up out of here. All right, let's go. Hey, you coming down?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know how I'm gonna get back up.
That's what I was thinking, but I was like, I have to see this.
Your hand coming up?
I think I got it. It's not too bad. I sat down right there where you were at and went right to those rocks.
I just want to get my butt wet.
You want me to give you a hand down?
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt.
Oh, you're all right.
Throw me a rope down, will you?
Yeah, I think going down's the worst part. All right, here we go. Make our way back on up. Oh, man. I tell you guys, this is absolutely beautiful. I love this place. This is natural. We've been here for so long. It used to be a mill a long time ago. I have if I'm understanding correctly. Let's get over here and see this. Check this out, guys. They're pretty cool. Let's crawl inside, huh? That is really cool. All right. Moving on. Let's go up here and look at the upper a little bit more. We really didn't explore over here too much. Okay guys, this is the top part of the waterfall. This is where it all comes from, Mill Creek. You guys see right over there, there's actually a parking lot on the very back end of this creek here where it makes a big bend, and you can actually hike up and walk up underneath of the second part of the upper falls here. But the road is so bad, I didn't think that we could get down it. I mean, it's a pretty rough road to begin with, and in the winter time it is just absolutely dangerous. All right, so we're gonna go check out the bridge now, guys. It's a really cool spot, probably the easiest spot to access here at Cagle Mills.